Yo, yo, yo! What's up, history buffs and curious souls? Today we're diving deep into the age-old mystery. When did Jesus really bid farewell to this world? Hold on tight as we unravel this epic enigma. Every spring, Christians worldwide celebrate Easter with all the excitement. But here's the kicker. The resurrection is the holiest of holy days in Christianity. On Good Friday, we remember the crucifixion and Jesus' farewell show. But you know what had us all scratching our heads? When exactly did that epic moment happen? Easter's like a moon dance, following lunar vibes from the Bible. The first full moon of spring sets the stage for the resurrection party. And guess what? After some intense detective work, we got a date, folks. April 3rd, 33 AD. According to the experts, it's the day Jesus took his bow. Picture this, researchers digging through the layers of time, analyzing earthy stuff near Jerusalem. They stumbled upon some serious seismic action. 2 big earthquakes around 26 to 36 AD. Just like the Bible said, the ground shook on Jesus' big day. Our historical Sherlock Holmeses combined those earthy findings with biblical clues. And boom, April 3rd, 33 AD it is. The same conclusion was reached by a duo of celestial sleuths in Romania. They had stars in their eyes, checking out cosmic events and biblical shout-outs. Solar eclipse? Nailed it. It darkened over Jerusalem in the same year, baby. So there you have it, ladies and gents. April 3rd, 33 AD, the day Jesus said his goodbyes in style. Now you can drop this fact at your next Easter brunch like a true history guru. And hey, if you want more jaw-dropping historical mysteries and laughs, don't forget to smash that subscribe button and join our gang. Stay curious, stay awesome, peace out, cheers!